May ganap pala ang SB19 kahapon, mga madam, mga sir, no? Or nakaraang araw pa to, no? The was Sir SB19, I was there fan meet, mga madam, mga sir ko, no? Okay, mga madam, mga sir, tara, samahan niyo po akong panoorin to, no? Alam ko namang napanood na rin to ng karamihan, no? So, this time ito, hindi ko pa napapanood, tara, samahan niyo po ako rito, no? Okay, let's go, iplinagad natin. The was Seer.
Okay, 18. Let's find out if SB19 can actually see the future. 18. Prepare your
Logo ng was?
questions or just ask any advice under the sun. I'm sure the seers here will answer your question.
Was Seer.
Okay, before we start, let us know a little more about the seers. Seer on the right. Raise your hand. Please
Seer.
introduce yourself and what is your favorite hobby?
Habi. Si Justin, si Pablo, tsaka si Estel. Okay.
My favorite hobby is
Is.
bowling. Bowling.
Ano?
Bowling.
Bowling?
The synergy between Among Us is very good.
Tag-iisa silang sagot. Kada word isang sagot.
My name. And my name is bowling.
Bowling.
Alright, nice to
Oh.
know your
Comedy pala to. Akala ko ano yung tawag ito? Perform nila or interview na ano. So, akala ko magpe-perform. May performance din ba sila rito? So, anyway, talay. Bowling.
Alright, nice to know your name is Seer Bowling.
Okay. So, sa Seer, sila Justin, Pablo, at Stel. Sa was, si Ken at saka si Josh, no? Okay.
Now, the seer on the left, raise your hand.
Ay, hindi. Parehas pala silang seer. Ano ba yan, dogs? Kala ko nakatapat yung was sa kanila na eh. Seer and the left. Okay, in the left. Sila.
Please introduce yourself and let us know what is your favorite color.
Color.
My name
Name.
is
Sa isang...
Trapdoor.
Ha? Ano daw?
And my hobby
Ha? Color. Naguguluhan sila.
favorite food
Ba't food naman? Yung pa lang yung tanong, color lang eh.
favorite color
Mali-mali ka na. Ang kulit pala nito, lap trip pala to.
my favorite color is black.
Alam ng lahat yan, black.
Alright, thank you. Let me call you Trapdoor Seer, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Lugi yung dalawa eh.
Trapdoor
Dalawa lang
Seer.
sila eh. Wala na magagawa eh.
18.
No
It's
choice,
your turn to ask questions to our seers tonight. Please raise your hand and one of our ushers will come right up and give you a microphone to ask any question or advice. Let me
audience.
see those hands.
Okay, yung audience yung magkatanong.
There.
Alright.
We have a lucky winner.
Hello.
18, what is your name?
Higgins po from USA.
USA 18, okay.
Let us see what is your question or what advice you would like to get from the seers.
Paano ko po masisingil yung may utang sa akin?
Ang kulit utang. Utang. Ay, si Madam Leo.
Her question is, paano daw niya masisingil yung utang? Debts. from any of her friends.
Kamusta ka?
Let's
Mag-text na
start
kamusta
with
ka.
Seer. What's your name? Sorry.
Sorry.
Seer on the right. Okay.
On the right, Justin.
Bowling. Yes, thank you.
Bowling. Bowling.
Bowling.
Bowling.
Mangutang
ah.
ka
Ah.
rin
Huh?
sa kanya.
Bowling. Galing, no? Tama nga naman, no? Mangutang ka rin, no? Umaga parang isa yun sa paramdam. Kasi ang hirap kasi singilin, eh. Na, uy, utang mo. Ano ba? Kailangan mo bayaran yun. Di ba? O, tama, may idea na ako. Ang galing itong mga to, ah. Uy, pautang naman. Ang sabihin nun, may utang pa ako sa'yo. Yun naman pala. Alam mo, may utang ka sa akin din, di. Magbayad ka na. Ipautang mo na sa akin, ibabayad mo. Di ba? Ganon. Galing. I know.
What a beautiful answer. Now, Trapdoor
Good
Seer
answer.
will give us the answer.
Trapdoor. Ah.
Trapdoor?
Alam niya. You
Oh, English.
are
English, wow, English.
Isip.
Kaya mo yan.
No, because like I wanna
Nahirapan.
Go, Trapdoor. Give me some time, bro. Give me some time. We're contacting our ancestors. Can we change our answer?
Mali.
Okay na Tagalog?
Tagalogin na. Tagalog naman sila kanina.
Tama naman, hirap na kami dito.
Hirap na hirap na kami dito.
Ay. Mabuting
Mabuting.
nilalang. Kaya, tutukan mo sa
Ah. Nahirapan sila.
bulsa. Trapdoor.
Trapdoor.
Should be relentless.
All right.
Tawa ng tawa yung mga 18 dito.
advice.
Of course. Thank you. Is that sufficient advice for you? I guess so.
I don't
Now,
think so.
for our next question. There, I think we have someone in the front. There.
No,
Raise
in the
your
front.
hands, please,
Raise
so
your hands.
Miss B can see you.
Sapan pa rin sapan.
There you go.
What is your name?
Moni.
Moni.
What is your question or advice you would like to know?
If you want a blue passport, sinong papakasalan ko sa inyong lima?
Wow! Kasal usapan na yan, ah. Usaping kasal.
If you would like a blue passport, who will she marry among you five?
Okay, sige.
Alright.
Tingnan natin.
Only see her first. Ready and go.
Bowling.
Okay.
Bowling sila.
Lang kami.
Okay lang kami. yun eh. Magaling yung tatlo, ah.
We would like the answer of Trapdoor Seer. What is your answer?
Trapdoor.
Ang kulit na itong segment na to, eh, no?
Kano ba ang pera mo?
Pera yung basihan pala. Ang kulit.
Alright, I think we have another question from the 18. Leia, where are you? Can I see you there?
Si Madam Leia.
Audience left, there.
Ang kulit pala na ito.
What is your name?
Jason.
Jason. What is
Oy, fanboy. Wala to.
Question. Anong masarap iluto para sa taong mahal mo?
Oh.
Alright, Bowling Seer, go. Okay,
Siya lagi.
sige. Si Trapdoor Seer muna ang sasagot.
Nagalit si Pablo eh. Kayo naman. Lagi kami nauuna eh.
Trapdoor Seer, what is your answer?
Trapdoor.
Ang kulit ng trapdoor.
Pakuluan
Oh.
mo ang niluto mong
Nilaga.
basta
Nilaga at manok.
sweet ang
Si Ken, no? Nakatawa si Ken. Hindi mo natapos yan. Ayun, tapos.
trapdoor.
Tatawa nila na ginagawa nila. Ah.
Alright, bowling's turn.
Okay.
What is your answer?
Bowling.
Bowling.
Tandaan,
Mm.
Mo
Mm.
Na
mas
masarap
ka.
Natawa rin si Ken tsaka si Josh. Oh, teka, kulit nila. Ay, sinatandaan mo na mas masarap ka. Loko, Justin, tinapos na kaagad sa kay, no? Ang galing eh, no?
I think we
Tandaan.
are in for our last question. And to challenge the seers,
Last question na.
we shall transform and combine them.
Combine na sila. Yeah. Nagdikit na.
So,
Okay.
combined seer, please introduce yourself and what is your favorite clothing?
Oh, clothing. Superior Sun. Ang kukulit nila rito.
My favorite clothing muna.
Ha?
Okay. Sorry pa.
my
Favorite.
Clothing is
Ay, clothing pala.
streetwear.
Clothing. Nasa isip.
Okay na.
Nasa isip ko clothing line eh. Okay.
is
Clothing
streetwear.
Okay na, streetwear.
Okay, streetwear
Ang
seer.
kukulit nila dito eh. No?
Now,
Parang mga
we are
bata
ready
eh, no?
For a question. Where are you? Where? There you are. What is your name?
Tina,
Hello, Tina. What is your question?
Tina.
question is, how much does SB19 love US 18, West Coast 18, and all the 18s here in California?
Oh, 18 California. Okay.
Okay. Streetwear seer. What is your answer?
Streetwear.
Kailangan sabihin talaga. Streetwear.
How
How are
You.
How are you? Di ba? Anda, wait.
Why?
Right?
Here. That's not
me.
Dito. Tinapos little.
Thank you, streetwear seer. I hope that satisfies your answer. Okay, I think we have another question.
Another question.
One last question, I think.
Hindi sila satisfied dun ah.
Alright.
Any hand will do. There you go.
Okay.
Napakahirap pala na ito.
Napahirap talaga yan.
You're doing
Isa-isang
great,
word eh.
guys. You're doing great. What is your name, AT?
Liz.
Liz, hello. What is your question?
Happy
Ang ganda ni Madam oh.
Happy
Birthday.
To you.
Alright guys, what is your question?
Pablo, ano sabi doon?
Guys, what is your question?
Pablo is my flying kiss. Birthday niya. Birthday niya.
Question 9. Advice.
Advice or question on your birthday. What is your advice for your birthday?
Birthday pala niya.
Come on, what question?
Ang ganda ni
My
Madam.
question is, so anong gagawin mo kung niloko ka ng mahal mo?
Ala. 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 Putik na yan.
Okay, streetwear seer,
Love
what
life
is
yan,
your
ah.
answer?
Natuwa ko sa streetwear.
Palagi tatandaan
Na tawagin
Mm.
ang
Yari. Hirapan.
friend
Best friend.
mo
mapagmahal
Pagmahal.
at
Sige.
dalawa.
kulamin
Ulami. Si kinahirapan. Ulamin na.
sabay
Sabay.
Yung
ex
Ek.
mo
Tapos. Tapos na.
street
Kulamin.
Thank
Kulamin
you
ng
so
puto.
much, streetwear
Ang saya.
seer.
Ako ito mga
Now,
sagutan
one
nila.
last question. What can you say about the audience here today and the 18? Your last advice to them.
streetwear
Sino?
18, we
love me so
Hmm.
always
forgive.
and forget the
Bad memories
and loving
Hindi na. Nablanko na.
wait
Wait.
yeah
streetwear.
Thank you
Yun
so
na.
much,
Yun na yun.
boys, for that. And that was
Tik din.
was
Parang ilang ng matinong sagot yung narinig ko ah. Ay, tapos na? Puti, tapos na pala yun. Okay, the was here. The was here, SB19, I was there, fan meet. Like natin. Subscribe natin The Basa Lots. Okay, yan, so masaya yun Diba? Ang kulit no, Kenko yan. So masaya, no? Enjoy na naman, puro tawanan ng kukulit, parang mga bata. Ay nako, kada word isang sagot, no? Parang walang mga matitirong naging sagot Bilan lang Tuwa ako sa utang. Diba, parang bayaran yung utang. Doon ako pinaka parang nag-enjoy Okay, yan sa mga madam, mga sir. Again, thank you so much po sa pagsama sa akin sa video na to. Mula sa umpisa hanggang sa pinakadulo nga po. Okay, magkita kayo tayo sa mga sunod na upload. Dogs GTV, peace. I'm out. Bye-bye. God bless out.